So here we are with this little one, nearly ready for the spray booth. I've masked all the bits up that I'm going to mask, and I've bare metal pretty much everything. Still a little bit of red oxide primer on it, but it's nice and smooth. I've smoothed off all of the rust casting on the gearbox because this was a particularly nasty one, so it's nice and smooth now. Even underneath I've done all the way along, so it's all ready to accept some primer now. So the next move is chuck it on a forklift, take it outside, and then we can wheel it into the booth after I've cleared out a path, because unfortunately it's full up with crap in my store, which is the way through to the booth. So lights on, come on, there you go. Clever, isn't it? I've got a few solar panels in the way which have got to go on the roof here. So I shall chuck them outside for now. I'll have a load there, hopefully the door will open because there's another 20 panels there that have got to go on the roof. And some crap there I've got to move. Other than that, get it outside, clean it off with some thinners, and it'll be ready for a coat of primer. So that's my next mission. Well, here we be at last in my spray booth. I still need to clean up over there, it's a bit of shit everywhere. So I'll do that in a minute and get all that stuff put away, but I haven't been in here for ages. Yeah, this is all nearly ready. So I'm just going to wipe it over with some thinners, and I believe we'll be ready to throw some primer on it. And hopefully everything works in here, which it does. Sorry about the noise, that's my robot lawnmower just mowing the grass for me, because I can't be arsed anymore, because I'd rather be playing with tractors and cars. In it. So that's just light grey, the top coat colour. I just thought I'd try out my paint mixer, and it's going great guns. But I've got to do the primer first. But anyway, I just thought I'd give it a crack and just see how well it does mix the paint. And I should imagine it's going to do bloody good by a judge of that. Just tried out my little mixer on the primer, and it has come out lovely. Look at that, beautiful. So now I'll just let that drip back in there a little bit, and I shall get ready to mix some paint up, or some primer up. I'll get dressed. Right, I'm dressed like a spaceman, ready to go and start painting with some paint and stuff. In my spray booth, isn't it? So here it is in primer. I've just got it cooking on gas mark 4 kilowatts at the minute. It's lovely and warm in here, just, you know, accelerate its curing time. I'll turn the lights on, hang on a minute. Let me flash light switches, which are out here. Here we go. So there you are. Every little nook and cranny is primed. And it's looking very, very nice, I must admit. And as someone said, that primer is very, very close to the Fergie grey, I reckon. But I have got my Fergie grey over there, light grey. And there we go. Next thing to do is give this a top coat, probably tomorrow if I get a chance. But we'll see. I'm in a bit of a dilemma. So I have bought from Sparex what is advertised as Massey Ferguson light grey, or Ferguson light grey. It does say MFTEF light grey, but anyway, the code on the paint is S82114 there, but the colour is like that, which looks to me more like implement grey, but I don't know. There are some more paint codes on the same that I found on the interwebs. So we've got M1011, which is one, then S82114, which is that. Alternative VLB 5045, or an OEM code, which is 3620512M5. So what's the right bleeding colour? I don't know. I don't want to cock it up, because the last one I painted implement grey because I thought that was the colour. But that's the colour I've got from Sparex, which is supposed to be the light grey. If anyone's got any clues or ideas or knows where I can get it the right colour, so I don't want to balls this one up. This one's so she's a bit of a minter. Can you please comment down below for me? Let me know, steer me in the right direction, so I'll get the right colour. But yeah, is it that? Thanks in advance, guys and girls.